Maximi back here at the DC comic book shop in my local area. It's beautiful.
That's all you have to do.
With a Elite Trader box opening for the new set Steam Siege. We'll be back in a minute.
Free donuts!
Okay, back open one.
Aloha.
I don't understand. I thought free donuts in upper I need to.
I named it. Sorry.
I heard.
Okay, 3 from the back.
Yeah,
Darn it.
Great camera work right here, guys.
Well, I can delete some stuff out. Okay, first pack.
Yeah, I read the name of the cards when you're
Oh,
going.
I'm not going.
What are you doing?
I don't read the
Why is it
cards.
so silent? You gotta say the name.
Okay.
I've been forgetting.
C-Dot.
Just put your hand into your dick.
There's nothing happening here.
Chimchar.
And the card.
And
I'm using this.
okay, we got a good card. We got a Bishrap. I'm bad with names. Just go with it.
Shuffle them into my deck.
Okay, second pack.
I don't know how to shuffle, so I'm just
I'll get this down, guys. Don't worry. Sooner or later.
that's how I do it. Yeah.
You be quiet, Brock. Oh yeah, and subscribe to my buddy Brock Kavanaugh. He's really cool. Okay, Fetch Finder. Do what?
One.
I do tackle.
Esmeril, Fetchling, Oshawa, Sneasel, C-Dot, Drifloon,
Why do I
Okay,
always
Clink,
get the meow
and
stupid meow?
a regular Amua.
Yeah, so much meow at my house too.
Second pack.
Okay, and to end my turn, I'm going to. Wait, can I attack?
No one gets my code cards. 3 from the back.
I'm just gonna put him.
And Claw Fossil. Zulish. Drifblim. Tangla. Dino. Chimchar. Rufflet. Shellas.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
Oh, shiny Steelix Spirit Link. And let's get the Steelix. No, regular jump 4.
Poor Matt. I'm sorry.
Oh.
You today.
Okay, 3 packs down. Oh, I think I saw something in there. 3 from the back.
A pony's got a water.
Okay.
A lot of water.
Armor Fossil. Flip. Myth. Litlo. Sneasel. Oops. Muriel.
Wonderful deck.
Yama. Fetchling. A shiny. And
I have like no cards.
ooh, Megana EX. At least not full art, but it's something.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
Okay,
Cool. I only have one EX.
another pack.
Only have one EX. Okay. Collection.
3 from the back.
Yeah. What is it? Wait, here.
Okay, Gardevoir Spirit Link.
Okay.
Do what?
I use
Whoops, wrong place.
Tiny Eruption.
Clank Flick. I can't remember his name. Can't remember his name. Meowth. Don't remember his name. Nose Pass. Nidoran. Oh, whoops. 4 from the back. Okay, and a Evolt's Break.
I wish I could buy.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I have no gas.
We have 2 more packs after this one. And then I'll let you guys see.
Break.
Okay. Claw Fossil.
Oh, it's
Do what?
Yeah. Okay, your turn. Oh, you don't.
Barbie. Clink. Joltix.
Use these
Hornred.
energies for-
Fungus.
Take these energies and put them
Rufflet.
in the sky.
A shiny Clink. Or Clink. And a Klitzer. I think that's his name. Okay, another pack. I'm a bad with pack openings.
And I will
3 from the back.
attack
Okay,
you
Tangrowth.
there, which
Special Charge.
damage to him.
Sheldon. Yaman. Mantphy. Mantine.
Pretend
Meowth.
this is like
Levist.
as a pop out.
Doltix. And Bassodon.
Do you have any,
Final pack.
do you have any location EXs yet? On 3. On the online version, I have
Lampton,
2 volcanoes. We both have the same
Puff,
health with this
Amzero,
and I
Tanglet,
I've
Cruxcoat,
been forgetting
Panthy,
to take them still.
Litwix, Shiny Stiflin, and a Keldon.
Cards in my hand, but I
Okay,
can't use it.
review of everything I got. Got a shiny Driftlin, a shiny Diltix,
I don't even have my
shiny Clang,
EX on. Which you
Manfernate,
basic. No, I don't. Normal EXs can be played without the basic. Really?
and DC.
Okay, it's back to mine.
Thank you for watching.